Hey loves, welcome back. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on hooded eyes on my client. You're definitely welcome back. I started off by cleaning her face with a cotton pad and a micellar water, and then I make sure under the eyes were properly clean. I did all my skin prep and allowed it to dry off properly before applying my primer, and then I'll be going into my foundation. And for foundation, I use these two foundations, a Nigerian brown, the silver milk foundation. As always, I start off by using a brush to just place foundation on the face. I dab it on the skin before going in with a beauty blender, a soft beauty blender. And then moving on to my highlight, I use a Nigerian brown concealer called Zekiel Cosmetics. And as always, you need your beauty blender to be damp before using it. And then this is one of the PRO package I received from Mino Beauty. Is a Nigerian brown. You can check them out on Instagram. I use their newly launched lip stain in the shade Keme as my blush. And for blush, you want to apply that at the highest part of your cheek bone, apple of your cheek. Some people, if you don't know the right place to apply blush, just tell the client or tell the human being to smile. Okay, I'm also setting off with this Nigerian brown powder called Bisham Age, and I used a beauty blender to apply it before going in with my brush. This powder brush is from Y Glam Cosmetics. You can also look at their page on Instagram. And then in makeup, you want to blend. There are no rules, but if there's any rules you need to keep up with is blending. Blending is key. And then I'm using a brow gel, a brow pomade, because she's really dark. It is because of the lighting that you are not seeing her this dark. She's actually a very dark client, like black. Okay, so yeah, I used a gel liner. I think I missed the Saron gel liner and the Nuba Beauty gel liner because my pencil was not this black, so I needed to just use a gel liner. And I'm using a brush to also apply that. As usual, you want to outline top of the brows before going under the brows. And then I'm blending with the same concealer that I used for highlights. I'm just blending that with a blendy fluffy brush, and then I use the powder. Now I'm applying my eyeshadow primer. Okay, about hooded eyes. Hooded eyes are eyes when the eyebrow and the soft tissue surrounding the eyes start to sag, causing a bulge that can hide under the upper lid. That's what I mean by hooded eyes. By the way, this eyeshadow is from D Beauty, one of the PR I recently received. I'm starting this application of eyeshadow from. That's because she have hooded eyes. On hooded eyes, you want to place the eyeshadow on the eyelid, and then you need to drag the eye crease upwards, because hooded eyes are eyes that have excess skin sagging on top of the eyelid. So you need to pull it up a little softly and apply your eyeshadow. So basically on hooded eyes, all you need to do is apply your eyeshadow on the eyelid, and then the excesses is what you just blend to avoid any harsh line. Okay. Okay, we'll leave English first. I believe you understand that explanation. What I mean, as in wetin I dey try to talk na say, on hooded eyes, you no need to put the eyeshadow for the eye crease. Just put the eyeshadow for the eyelid. If you know what is eyelid, you see that place where they touch now, I be crease. So you put your hand for that place, make you drag go up small, then you blend. And some people they naturally get hooded eyes. If you're wondering what is hooded eyes, might just use pidgin English explainer if you do not understand the English version of the explanation I just did. Hooded eyes now those people wey be say their eyes swell up. Their eyes swell up. No be say they don't sleep well, they sleep well, but now so their eyes just be. Some of them are natural one, like from birth, they just get swollen eyes. So if you dey apply eyeshadow for person wey get slow swollen eyes, just dey put the eyeshadow small for the eyelid, then you blend that upward. Then always remember to put eyeshadow also on the tear dots, which is where you are seeing it right now. And for anybody wey get small eyes, e good make you dey put small bright color for that place where you dey see now, so e go make the eye bright, e go make the eye large, e go make am look sexy, e no go make am look over swell up. No just leave the eye bare like that. And then of course I'm just sweeping off the setting powder that I've been used to bake, and then I apply the Nigerian brown mascara under the eyes. I feel more safe applying mascara than fixing lashes. And then I went back to the eyeshadow palette and just smoke under her eyes using the same eyeshadow color, purple color. You can see that this eyeshadow is really pigmented. It's something to look out for. I don't have any primer applied under the eyes, just the eyeshadow alone. See how beautiful and pigmented it's looking. So I went back to just do a little touch up because I'm rounding up makeup on the eyes, eyeshadow application on the eyes. And then again, I need you to remember that in anything you apply on the face, make sure you blend. Blending is the key. Moving on to the Beauty Pen Eyeliner, you can see it is not just black, it is highly pigmented. I need to zoom for you to see. If you are one of those persons that struggle with using a liquid pen liner, this is just perfect. The perception of this liner is superb. The tip is tiny, the perception is lit, and I love the fact that it dries immediately. Like at times, if you apply liquid liner, before you go see the person you open eye like this, it does stain. But see, say this one will stay dry immediately. And then moving on to Mino Beauty Lip Stain. I'll be using this lipstick as eyeliner on the water liner. And this is a lipstick. So you see that you can also use a lipstick on your eyes. Since there are no rules in makeup, stop all the unnecessary bye-bye and try to manage what you have. Yes, register the habit of using what you have. Moving on to this setting spray from So Pro Cosmetics, another Nigerian brand. I've given my review on this product. See how they just lock up and take off all the powder effect. And then I went back into this pencil, the D Beauty pencil. That reminds me, the eyeshadow, the eyeliner, this lipstick, and lip pencil that you'll be seeing on this video is from Just One Brown. You can check them out on Instagram. You can see that the pencil is very pigmented, and I deliberately did not fast forward this video, this particular pencil liner process, so that you see how I'm applying it. If na some kind pencil now, you go sharp and reach like 20 times before you go go sharp like this, abi before you will see the color like this. And then I went in with the lipstick, lip gloss. Remember, it's the same brown. D Beauty lip gloss, D Beauty eye pencil, eyeliner, lip liner, and eyeshadow. Check them out on Instagram. And then just one first application, see how it just beautify her lip. And she's dark skin. That reminds me, when making up a black person, try to be very, very careful, because if you are not careful, the makeup will not come out the way you plan it. So try to know your colors, play with your color wheels, know what to apply, what not to apply. And then I went in with my high-end setting spray, the Charlotte Tilbury. I hope you enjoyed everything about this video. Please remember to like, share, comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and remain positive and be hopeful. Bye guys.